Today we are going to make Spanish croquetas with Serrano ham as an appetizer. Let's get started. We will need 2 small onions, 40 ml of olive oil extra virgin, 100 grams of Spanish Serrano ham, 100 grams of flour 00 and half a litre of milk. First, we will cut up our ham into little pieces. Then we will chop up our onions. Pour our oil in a hot pan. Fry our onions and slowly lower our flame. When the onions are cooked, increase the flame and add our Serrano ham. For about a minute, we will move and check that it does not burn. Lower the flame and add your sifting flour. Mix and slowly add your milk in small splashes and stir to prevent lumps. Soon as it dries, keep adding milk in small portions. This process of adding and mixing will give you a nice smooth mixture of all the ingredients. Make sure to taste your mixture just in case you need salt. We will put our mixture in a cool bowl to cool off for normally 3 hours. The cooler the paste, the easier to work our croquetas. You can leave it also overnight in the fridge. Now we are ready to create them. Mix 2 eggs in a plate. Start forming an oval shape using 2 spoons. And we will dip them in the mixed eggs. Then into the flour. Back into the mixed eggs. And then into the breadcrumbs. This process will give the croquetas a firm, crisp shell and will not open when frying. We will continue with the rest, which will give us around 22 croquetas in total. Now we are ready for frying. In this case, I used olive oil. When you notice a nice golden brown, turn them around as they cook quickly. Then after 30 seconds on the other side, and they're ready to take out. And now we are ready to grab a glass of wine or a beer, ready for these delicious tapa. Enjoy!